annoying sounds with Pug.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's annoying, but here we go.
No, get your laser.
Ow, 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 ow. Ah, it's annoying. Say bye-bye to it.
I hate it.
Here we go. What about a flash? Ah, my eyes, my Get it! Goodbye. Alright, I'll flash it up. There's that. Yeah, that's just so annoying. That is so annoying. Get out!
Oh.
Not that. Annoying. Ooh! Bye-bye.
It's a really good one at the end, guys.
A big one. Don't. Some bluish noise. Glue noise. My head. No. Oh. What's the? Oh, go bye-bye. Alright, a golden pickaxe. Ah. Same noise as a bat. Oh, boing. That's just the same. Say goodbye. Oh, now it is my turn to do annoying sounds. But with Pug. He's kind of annoying. What?
I farted. Go.
Right. This is a glow stick.
Okay, now. Okay, give it me. Give it me. I do the throwing. Go.
There we go. Nope, no. This is annoying. No, I gotta move.
Okay, come on, let's do it.
Let's go. I'm gonna die.
No, don't touch it, do. Oh no, I'll just revive you. Wait. No, because you're gonna like go everywhere.
Yeah, let me move my bag. I'm gonna move my bag.
No, just give me your bag.
Okay.
And then I'll go revive you.
Stand back.
Go. Good boy.
Come on. Oh! What the?
How'd you not?
Alright, give me back my
Oh,
bag.
it's no PvP. I forgot.
Give me my bag.
Go. I get the items and I throw it. Go.
Say bye-bye to it. Oh gosh. Your red watch. Oh no. Come back here, firework.
I hate that noise.
I didn't even do it yet, but now, last one. A fire. Let me do it. Bye-bye to the fire!